People think starting a business takes thousands of dollars, an office, a team, or investors. Did you know that some of the world's most successful companies started with almost nothing? Apple in a garage, Starbucks, one store, Amazon. Bezos was literally packing books in his basement. So what's stopping you? Today I'm going to show you step by step how to start a real business with zero money. Not someday. Not when you save up. Today. And I'll give you practical examples you can use immediately. Stick around because step 6 is the one most people miss. And it is the difference between staying stuck or actually building something real. Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. Make videos about entrepreneurship, money, and creating financial freedom. If you're serious about starting your own business but feel trapped because you do not have the cash, this video is going to remove that excuse forever. I'm not talking theory. I've used these exact steps myself, and I've seen others build six-figure businesses from scratch with no outside money. So grab a notebook because you're about to learn the exact blueprint. Step 1. Start with your skills. And don't focus on this stuff. The first thing you need to understand is this. Businesses are built on solving problems, not on money. Ask yourself, what do I already know how to do that solves someone's problem? That could be. For example, if you are good at writing, you could freelance as a writer. If you are good with social media, you can promote businesses on social media. If you enjoy talking to people, you could work in sales or in customer service. If you are very organized, you could sell your skill as a virtual assistant. You can also sell food to people if you are good at cooking, because there's always a need for good food. And here's a secret. Even if you don't feel skilled, you can learn skills for free in 30 to 60 days. There are YouTube tutorials, free courses, and AI tools like ChatGPT. These tools all make it easier than ever. For example, a friend of mine learned video editing entirely from YouTube, practiced on his phone, and within a month, he was charging $50 per video. Zero startup costs, just time and consistency. This takes us to step 2. Find what free tools are available. You don't need to buy expensive software. Use free tools. For example, you can use Canva for graphic design. CapCut is good for video editing. You can use Google Docs or Google Sheets instead of paying for Microsoft Office. Use social media apps like TikTok, Instagram, and LinkedIn for free marketing. Think about it. 20 years ago, entrepreneurs had to pay thousands for websites, business cards, or advertising. Today, you can set up everything from your phone without spending a single cent. Step 3. Sell it before you build it. This is where 90% of beginners get stuck. They think they need a perfect logo, website, or business plan before they can start. Wrong. Instead, test demand first. Offer your service before you even create a business structure. No one is willing to pay? You don't have a business? You have a hobby. Here's how to do it. Write a simple offer. I help small businesses create social media posts that get attention. Post it in free. Facebook groups, Reddit communities, or even your personal Instagram story. DM or email 20 people who could use your help. Case study. A college student I know started offering resume editing services. She literally just posted, "I'll fix your resume for free if you give me feedback." After 5 free jobs, she had testimonials. By job 6, she charged $20. Within 2 months, she was making $1,000 a month entirely from free outreach. Step 4. Start small, but deliver big. Once you land that first client, whether they pay you $10 or $100, your only job is to deliver massive value. Think about it. Your reputation is your most powerful marketing tool, and it costs nothing. Do such a good job that the client wants to tell their friends. Referrals are free advertising. Here's a mindset shift. In the beginning, your business isn't about profit. It's about proof. Prove that people will pay you. Prove that you can deliver, and prove that you can do it consistently. That's the foundation. Step 5. Use free marketing hacks. You don't need money for ads. You need creativity. Here's how to market your business for free. For example, using TikTok or Instagram. Reels, short-form video content, can get millions of views with zero budget. Show behind the scenes, tutorials, or transformations. LinkedIn gives right about your journey, share tips, and connect with professionals. Facebook groups, Reddit gives communities are full of people looking for help. Networking gives talk to friends, family, or even local businesses. Example, a friend who's a fitness trainer posted short 30-second workouts on TikTok. One of his videos hit 200,000 views, and suddenly he had 50 people DMing him asking about coaching. The cost is 0. Step 6. Reinvest your profits, not your savings. Here's the secret to scaling. Don't touch your personal savings. Start with free tools. Get your first few clients, and then reinvest profits into better tools, training, or marketing. For example, use your first $100 to get a domain and website. Your next $200 might go into software that saves you time. This way, your business grows itself without ever draining your bank account. Step 7. The mindset shift. Starting a business with no money isn't about luck, it's about mindset. The real skill isn't having money, it's being resourceful. Money makes things easier, but creativity and persistence will always be more powerful. Remember, Apple, Amazon, Disney all started with almost nothing. The difference between you and them is that they started. So my challenge to you is this. What can you start today with what you already have without spending a single cent? Write it down. Take one action. Tomorrow, take another. If this video gave you clarity, smash that like button and subscribe for more step-by-step guides. 'Cause here's the truth. Money isn't the obstacle. Fear is. And if you're watching this, you've already got what you need to start.